here spitting it free. We're right by the Christmas tree in my downstairs. We're not scared. We're spitting as loud as we want. We don't care what my dad says. Fuck this shit. I'm spitting it in my head. I don't know what I'm gonna say. Oh, what's gonna be next? Oh, this guy's fucking gay. He just called me fat. What the fuck? I'm skinny as shit. Take another hit. Take a hit out of my bong so you can maybe sing a song. This guy looks so stoned out of his mind. Oh, when he goes home, his mom's gonna find that he actually smoked weed. Then what are you gonna do? He just dropped the food. I should knee him in the face. But no, if I fought him, he couldn't keep up with my pace. You're a disgrace to a stoner who just dropped the food. I should fucking boot you, but I'm not going to because you look like a Jew. What the fuck is with that messed up hair? You go out there, you go outside with looking like that? Shit, man, just for that, you fucking pull out my gun and cap you. No, fuck that shit. I just want to scrap you. No, I just want to out-rap you. Because you know you can't do that. You're a fucking ugly kid. Fuck, I want to slap your mother just for having you out her pussy. No, you're just a pussy. You're just like her. Fuck this shit. I'm scared. This bitch just came downstairs.